Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are good. Today is Independence Day. Wish you very happy Independence Day. Happy on this Independence Day, sweetheart. It's your first Independence Day. We got a paper from post office yesterday that we have to pick some consignment from there. It's a consignment from Mainka, so we will go there. We got kind of some reminder later also from the post office that it's been a long time the consignment is there and we haven't picked it, so we'll go there and pick it up. Dad, happy Adiji? Adiji happy? Okay, Adiji can dance on any music. Have a look. Enjoy weekend poha, Adiji? Wanna enjoy weekend poha? Happy for weekend poha? Mangta hai? But you don't show interest for your food, sweetheart. Waiting for food? Here you go. Yeah! Yeah! Gui. Nahi ho gaya? Shower done? Great. So we are going to post office to pick up the consignment. Who will get? No, pick a consignment.
You must contact center.
Yeah? You mean the labor office?
Yes.
This one, Urezny Praces?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Mods. That's no. So the consignment was already returned to the labor office because we were late in picking it up. So we'll have to contact the labor office. It's a long process now. Adiji. Da. 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 Kaka? Who is your kaka? Try harder, Edison. Try harder. सुन नहीं पाए मम्मी. थोड़ा जोर से रो लीजिए. थोड़ा जोर से रो लीजिए. Mommy didn't hear it well. Come on, more louder. Louder. मैच क्या है?
मूंग का दाल, चावल, दही, पकौड़ा, कद्दू का सब्जी.
Alright. ठीक है, ज़्यादा ऑयली नहीं है खाना, बट ये पकौड़ा ऑयली है थोड़ा. नहीं, एडी जी, लंच करना है? लंच? ये डायपर खोल ली देखो. You are becoming a podmas. Buy something since it's the weekend, so it's easy to go and without an issue. Otherwise, in the weekdays, it's difficult. There is also those Vietnamese shops that they sell some green vegetables, and it's of good quality. So we'll try to get those as well. It's a very big Vietnamese shop market. It's called Sapa. I've arrived here at the Vietnamese market. It's a very big market. A different kind of Vietnamese shops here. You got most of the Vietnamese stuff. So I'm done with this shopping, going back home. It is really crowded always here because... What? Your favorite sports, isn't it? Your favorite sports. Yes! लगा दो एकदम एक बार और लगा दो. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! One more, one more, one more. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, yeah! One more, one more, one more. Come on, 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 come on. Yes, 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 yes. Yay! रनर बनना मांगता है क्या? रनर बन... Yeah! Yes. One more, one more. Come on, come on, come on, come on. One more, one more. Yay! Just now heard a sad news that Captain Cool Mahendra Singh Dhoni has retired from international cricket. Thank God that he will keep playing IPL and we will be able to see his captaincy and just a minute, see his captaincy and his cricket. Suresh Raina has also retired today. Both of these people are one of my favorites player in Indian cricket team. It's really strange. I remember, like, just second beta. I remember that Dhoni's first 100 in 2004 in Visakhapatnam. In Visakhapatnam, I was a bachelor student. Why? Wait. I was a bachelor student at that time. And the young Dhoni, now he is retired. It's really sad. It's really sad. What? Why you are not letting me talk? You want to say something? Now say. Come on. Say bye, Dhoni. Bye. Yeah. कैसे करती हो तुम? Where are we going? Where are we going, Adiji? Now we came out for a walk. So generally we go in the evening if we find some time to go for walks. So same way going for walk. Adiji, your friends are there. Dobry dan. It's okay.
She walks or no?
No, not now.
The next year.
I think in 20 days she will be 1 year.
Oh, but she is good. 1 year.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama. You must be. Who is talking?
Say hello, Adiji. Say hello.
Ahoy.
Ahoy. Say ahoy.
Ahoy, Lasko.
Ahoy.
My daughter, she born, she didn't have hair at all. She had it like this one.
Uh-huh.
But look at her, how much she has.
Yes.
How many teeth? Oh, but she has a lot of teeth.
Yeah, she has like
1,
2
2
here, 4 I guess.
Oh, oish, tato. Tata. Tata. There, Mama.
Mama Tadi. An Indian family from Andhra Pradesh. Right now we were just going to the park and we met an Indian friend who is working almost in the same field, different field but in the research field, and it was really nice meeting an Indian guy living close to us. So it was really nice day. Hello Eddie ji, क्या हो रहा है? पानी पी लीजिए. Have your water. Oh lovely, lovely. उस पे गुस्सा मत निकालो, वाटर बोतल पे गुस्सा मत निकालो. इसको क्या करो, ऐसे लेके मुंह में, ये बाप रे बाप, गुस्सा कितना निकल रही. बोए. Shall we move, Eddie ji? Shall we move? Okay, let's move. चलो मैं इनका Hello guys, so we are back from the walk. It was nice evening. We met some friends there, Indian guy, new friends. So it was nice evening. Thank you for watching this vlog. Stay safe. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye Gaddu. Yeah. Take care. Bye bye.